In this video, let's talk about the recommended wheel spacer size for the BMW X5. Let's go.
Our BMW X5 wheel spacers make sure your wheels and tires have enough space, so that nothing rubs up against the fenders, brakes, or other suspension parts. The perfect size of BMW X5 wheel spacers may differ per version. For example, the recommended spacer size for a 2023 BMW X5 is front 10mm and rear 15mm. In other words, these spacers provide perfect flat stance. If you install aftermarket wheels, things can be different. The BMW X5 wheel spacers are standard components for fixing the wrong offset issues. Getting the wrong offset can actually reduce a vehicle's stability on the road. By creating the offset, spacers improve driving safety. For those who have a limited budget, installing BMW X5 wheel spacers to fit the wheels will be a good idea. If you add high offset wheels or a wide body kit, then there is a pretty high chance you need BMW X5 wheel spacers. BMW spacers are available in larger size from 3mm to 15mm. They are fastened by extended wheel bolt. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good BMW X5 wheel spacers, then look no further than Bonus. Bonus manufactures a huge range of BMW X5 wheel spacers to fit the massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. The precision of Bonus BMW X5 wheel spacers has reached 0.02mm. After hot anodizing, the corrosion resistance of these Bonus BMW X5 wheel spacers is greatly enhanced. In this way, you can also choose to customize the pattern you like, and we will have it painted on the custom BMW X5 wheel spacers you want. All Bonus BMW X5 wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision BMW X5 wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.